What does a day at Presidency College look like? For Labeeb Faisel Ahmed, it's a journey shaped by learning, discipline, creativity, and ambition. A second semester BBA student, Labeeb believes that every day is an opportunity to grow, challenge himself, and move one step closer to his goals. His day begins on campus, where every lecture, discussion, and assignment contributes to building a strong foundation for his future. Whether he's exploring concepts in human resource, marketing, or economics, he approaches learning with curiosity and a desire to understand how ideas can be applied in a real world. Beyond the classroom, the library becomes a space for reflection, research, and continuous learning. It is where knowledge goes beyond textbooks and where perspectives begin to take shape. But Labeeb's journey is about much more than academics. A national level tennis player, he has spent years developing the discipline, focus, and resilience required to compete at the highest level. The lessons learned through sports have shaped his mindset, teaching him the value of consistency, perseverance, and striving for excellence every single day.